Are you struggling with high memory or RAM uses on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer? Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now I am going to fix this issue. Let's get started. Step number 1, disable services. Go to search. In search type services. Right click on services. Click on run as administrator. In services, go to background intelligent transfer service. Right click on the service. Go to properties. Stop the service. On startup type, click on drop down and select disabled. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Now go to sysmain. Right click on sysmain. Click on properties. Click on stop to stop the service. Now startup type. Click on drop down and select disabled. Click on apply and then OK. Now go to Windows search. Right click on Windows search. Click on properties. Click on stop to stop the service and startup type. Click on the drop down menu. Click on disabled and then click on apply. These services are not necessary to your computer, but it will use high RAM or memory. Now close services. Now step number 2, clear paste file at shutdown. In search, type regedit. Right click on registry editor. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In registry editor, go to SKey local machine, expand it, then expand system. Now expand current control set, then expand control. Now scroll down, expand session manager, and here you will find memory management. Click on memory management. In memory management, you will find an setting clear page file at shutdown. Right click on it and click on modify, and by default the value data is 0. Replace the value data to 1 and then click on OK. And now each time the virtual memory page file will clear at shutdown. Now close registry editor and you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and now click on restart. Now step number 3, wise memory optimizer. Go to your Google Chrome browser and browse wise memory optimizer. Here you will find free download. Download and install this utility. Then you will find desktop shortcut app. Click on wise memory optimizer. Click on yes. Right click on taskbar. Click on task manager. 66% memory is using. Click on the optimize button on wise memory optimizer and you will find the memory usage will be reduced immediately. Close task manager. Now step number 4, disable Google Chrome preload pages. Go to your Chrome browser, click on 3 dot icon on upper right corner and go to settings. Click on preferences, scroll down. Here under the speed you will find preload pages. Now it's turned on. Just turn it off. It will free up your memory usage. Close Google Chrome browser. Now step number 5, disable Google Chrome browser run in background. Go to your Google Chrome, click on 3 dot icon, go to settings. In left pane, click on system. Here you will find the first option, continue running background app when Google Chrome is closed. Now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. You can also turn off use graphics acceleration when available. Now close Google Chrome browser. Step number 6, disable startup programs. Right click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane, click on apps. Click on the last option, startup. You can disable startup apps from here. I'm disabling the startup apps. And it will save your memory at startup. Close settings. Now step number 7, Disable Windows animations and visual effects. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System, scroll down and click on About. Then click on Advanced System Setting, click on Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings, select Visual Effects, and here Adjust the Best Appearance is selected. Select Adjust the Best Performance. Now click on Apply and then click OK. Now the last step, step number 8, Windows Update. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Windows Update. You need to install the latest updates. Click on Check for Updates, then install the latest updates on your Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to fix high RAM or memory usage on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.